Does it look crooked? Hopefully I don't look crooked. I hope not. Oh. Alright everybody. Got something pretty cool today. Now I know there's already unboxings of this and people had like early access or whatever you want to call it. But I had to wait till it came out. And I think this thing is pretty dang cool. And I know the Mustang's already been out. I even got a Mustang on my arm. But man, this is just too cool. This is like childhood right here. I may never get to have a 240. But I got a Traxxas 240 drift car. So this is the Traxxas Fortec Drift Nissan 240 SX. And as you can tell by, I put the black on the front. I got the black one. I hope. Yep, it's marked as the black one. So let's get it opened up and we'll take a look. I gotta go outside. So, I definitely made sure the body was going to stay nice. All this nice plastic wrap. I feel like the plastic wrap should have been over the top too. But, alright, let's try and get the body off. So we can get all the plastic off. Body comes off really nice. I actually don't have, oh, that's a lie. My little Bronco has the clipless. Oh, I'm gonna drop this. Nope. Has the clipless body mount. But my drag slash unfortunately does not. It still has the clips. All right. Wow, look at that. All right. Look at that beauty. Now, I also, which I will do a video on, I bought the underglow kit. The green. I know it's not a Civic, but man, the Fast and Furious Honda Civics, black with the green underglow. Man, that's my childhood. So, yeah, pretty simple as that. We'll pop this body back off. I'm gonna do all like the little upgrades and stuff too, the little green stuff, because I like green and red and lots of colors. But there it is. It's not brushless. I'm just butchering this whole deal. I'm just excited to play with it. But it's not brushless. It's got the tried and true Titan 550. And, oh, it's also got the Traxxas link, which I've never got to play with. So that's exciting. Man, look at that angle. I've never had a drift car. So, this is very exciting. I will make some shorts of drifting, I'm sure. And maybe I'll do more videos on upgrading. But I just wanted to show you my unboxing of the 240. There you have it. I'll see you guys in a future video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this. Very amateur unboxing. But this was more just fun for me. Because I like the 240. Oh, look at this. They even give you, I thought they were supposed to come with on-road tires. Or not on-road tires, these are on-road. But like treaded tires, soft tires. But they didn't. So, I got a spare set of drift tires for when I ruin these. So, all kinds of cool stickers that I probably will not put on the body because the body doesn't need any more justice. A manual and stuff, which I'll probably have to read. There you have it. See you guys on the next one.